Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
This is the FiiO FT1 Pro, a full-size open-back planar headphone that's surprisingly lightweight at just 375 grams. Build quality is excellent, with breathable earpads, a sturdy metal frame, and two cables included, one 3.5mm and one 4.4mm balanced. It features a massive planar driver with a double-layer aluminum diaphragm, delivering a smooth, natural sound. The bass is deep, fast, and punchy, vocals are clear and centered, and the treble is detailed without being harsh. The soundstage is impressively wide with solid instrument separation.
The HiBy R4 is a full-fledged Android-based music player. With its sleek design, robust hardware, and user-friendly interface, it's truly one of the most cost-effective music players of the year. The R4's design is inspired by futuristic aesthetics, resembling a sleek, modern gadget. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to carry around. Display 4.7-inch 720 by 1080 touchscreen, delivering sharp visuals and vibrant colors. Running on Android 12, the R4 is compatible with most streaming apps like Spotify, TIDAL, and YouTube Music, making it versatile for both offline and online listening. The interface is clean and responsive, with plenty of customization options for EQ settings and audio filters. If you're in the market for an affordable music player, look no further than the HiBy R4. It's stylish, feature-packed, and sounds amazing.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.